Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome back. If you've been here before, I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to prime my eyes with my Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and set it with my AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm using the Morphe 39L Hit the Lights palette, and I'm just taking the brown shade out of there and putting that in my crease. And I'm going to use a gold shade as well and put that on my lids. Also, I'm really trying to grow my channel, so if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted about my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Now I'm using the Girlactik Precise Eyeliner Marker. Next, I'm using the House of Lashes Eyelash Glue and the Ioni XL Wispy Dramatic Lashes. To make sure there's no gap showing while I put my lashes, I'm using the Sephora Eye Pencil and the Essence Waterproof Mascara. Moving on to the face, I'm using the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Now I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. Next, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. Now I'm using the Be Pure Blurring Pressed Powder in Medium Deep. I'm just using this to keep my makeup looking good all day and just keep me from getting oily. For foundation, I'm using the Uma by Sharon C foundation in Bronze Venus T5. for some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut. I'm just putting this in the same places where I put the orange corrector at. To highlight, I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Under Eye Concealer in Caramel 40. And I'm just putting this all the places where the light will naturally hit my face. Next, I'm using the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark, and I'm going to use the top shade to contour my nose, go around my jawline, and use the other shade to bronze other parts of my face. Now I'm just using the AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach again to set where I had that concealer at. Next, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation in 440. Next, I'm using Juvia's Place Blush Duo Blush Volume 4 palette. And I'm just going to use that top shade for my blush. For my highlight, I'm using Juvia's Place the Saharian Blush Volume 1 palette. And I'm just going to take that shade right there and use that for my highlight. For lips, I'm using the Essence Extreme Shine Volume Lip Gloss in Sparkling Purple and the Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that's it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this champagne eyeshadow makeup look that I did. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the bell and you click all to be alerted about my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, everything I use will be listed in the description box as well as all my social media handles. And please like, comment, and share. I would love to hear from you all. And if you have any suggestions when it comes to makeup looks, let me know so that I can do them. I appreciate you all watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.